This mouthguard has sold out 7 times, and now I understand why. It's the only thing that actually got me to stop snoring. I didn't think snoring was a real problem until it started ruining my sleep and my marriage. My wife wore earplugs every night. I woke up tired, dry-mouthed, and frustrated. I tried everything I could find, even considered a CPAP machine. Then I found this mouth guard that people kept talking about. Here's how it works. It gently moves your lower jaw slightly forward while you sleep. That opens up your airway so air flows freely, and snoring stops before it even starts. It's clinically backed, easy to mold to your mouth, and actually comfortable to wear. After just 2 nights, my wife said it was the first time she slept through the night in months. Over 100,000 people already made the switch, and it's 50% off for a limited time. If snoring is wrecking your sleep or your relationship, don't wait. Try this. It actually works. Tap the link and grab yours before it sells out again.